Many 12-volt devices can be powered via USB if you use the right boost converter. Today we're stress testing this 5-volt to 12-volt DC cable. The markings are clear, but the real value is inside. Let's see how it performs under real conditions. We're using a standard power bank as our input source. This is the most common scenario for DIY emergency power. I'm connecting the multimeter to verify the output. We're looking for stability. As you can see, it holds a steady 12.28 volts, well within the tolerance. Testing a second unit shows consistent results. This suggests reliable manufacturing and a stable voltage regulation chip. To understand the efficiency, we need to see the components. Let's carefully open the USB housing. Here's the PCB. We see a dedicated boost IC and a high-quality inductor. This circuit manages the step-up conversion without excessive heat buildup. Everything snaps back together perfectly. It's a solid, compact solution for low-power 12-volt applications. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives. But this is just the beginning. In my next video, I'll show you how to use this cable in more advanced scenarios and unconventional tech hacks. Stay tuned. For instance, this cable is a lifesaver during a power outage. You can easily connect a 12-volt LED garland or strip to a power bank and light up your entire room when the grid is down.